Landlord versus owner. In the context of real estate, a landlord is the owner of a rental property who rents out their property to tenants. The landlord is responsible for maintaining the property and collecting rent from the tenant. On the other hand, the owner occupied refers to a property that is owned and lived in by the same person or entity. This could be a single family home, a duplex, or even a multi-unit building where the owner lives in one of the units and rents out the others. In general, landlord-owned properties are considered to be investment properties, while owner-occupied properties are considered to be primary residences. Landlord-owned properties may be subject to different tax laws and regulations than owner-occupied properties, and landlords may also have different financing options available to them. Overall, the main difference between a landlord and an owner-occupied property is the purpose for which the property is being used. And that's where we use best use case. Landlord-owned properties are used as a source of income, while owner-occupied properties are used as a primary residence. So let's take a look at what that actually looks like. If we have a house, and let's just say that we've got the owner. They live in the house. Well, normally there's going to be a mortgage, and I can't spell mortgage. That's fine. Okay. There's going to be a payment, all right, a mortgage, and it's the responsibility of the owner to pay that mortgage. Now, this owner can live in this house, or actually, they could rent the property to Bill, and Bill could pay $900 to the owner, Tim. And Tim could actually pay the mortgage, which is only $700. So 700 or 900 minus 700 is $200. Now you might be thinking, well, that's really good money. Well, there's also a lot of overhead. And these are questions that we need to ask. Taxes, maintenance or repairs, insurance. All these expenses add up, and it takes away from Tim's net profit. So easily, Tim could be wiped out, and he would actually owe money every month while Bill is sitting in the house renting it. Now, ideally, landlords do not want to position themselves in that scenario. And that's the reason we want to make sure that every property, every opportunity we look at is a positive cash flow. And we'll talk about those in later episodes.